In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a private repository to public in GitHub. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. For convenience, I have bookmarked my GitHub account page so I can log in quickly. Let's click on it. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Repositories. Here, you will be able to access all the repositories that you have added or created. Next to the repository names, you will see the visibility status for each repository. Here, you can see that I have both a private and a public repository. Open a private repository from here. In the top menu bar, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, while on the General tab, scroll down to the bottom of the page. In the Danger Zone, click on Change Visibility. In the drop-down, click on Change to Public. In the pop-up, click on I want to make this repository public. Another pop-up will appear, explaining what will happen if you make your repository public. In this pop-up, click on I have read and understand these effects. Lastly, click on Make this repository public. Now let's go back to the main repository page and refresh it. Here, you can see that we have successfully changed our repository visibility from private to public. By following these steps, you can easily make your GitHub repository public.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.